Welcome back to Mindfuel Minute, where powerful books inspire powerful action. Today, we are diving into Chapter 9 of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, titled Still Want More. Here are some to-dos. This chapter is all about transforming knowledge into action and taking the first steps toward financial independence. Robert Kiyosaki wraps up his book with a simple but profound message. Knowledge without action is wasted potential. If you are serious about escaping the rat race, you need to do more than just read. You must act. This chapter provides a practical to-do list to help you start building wealth today. First, start small, but start now. Even if you are not ready for big investments, you can begin by learning the language of money or tracking your spending. Second, take control of your learning. Read books, attend seminars, and network with others. Third, pay yourself first by prioritizing your own growth. Fourth, invest in your mind because intelligence is your greatest asset. Finally, do not fear mistakes. Every wealthy person has failed and learned from it. Pick a financial book or course this week. Track your income and expenses. Challenge your beliefs about money. Research a simple investment opportunity just to learn. Write down your financial goals and review them daily. Small, consistent actions lead to lasting wealth. What's one action you'll take this week from this chapter? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next Mindfuel Minute.